Respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friends, good morning. Today we are here to celebrate birth anniversary of Savitribai Phule. She was India's first female teacher. She was also a great social reformer who dedicated her life to education and equality. Savitribai Phule was born on January 3, 1831 in Naigaon, Maharashtra. She came from a simple farming family. At the age of 9, she married Jyotirao Phule. Her husband taught her to read and write. Now, that was a great step because in those days, girls were not allowed to study. But Savitribai believed that education was for everyone. In 1848, Savitribai Phule and Jyotirao started the first school for girls. Imagine opening a school when most people were against women's education. People insulted her. They even threw mud at her when she walked to school. But did she stop? No. She carried an extra sari, wiped herself clean, and kept teaching. She believed education is the light that removes the darkness of inequality. Savitribai also wrote poems about education and equality. She fought against the child marriage and caste discrimination. She even opened homes for widows and orphans, giving them shelter and hope. In 1897, during a plague breakout, she cared for the sick without fear. Sadly, she caught the disease while helping others and passed away on March 10, 1897. Friends, Savitribai Phule's story is inspiring. She proved that education can change lives. She believed knowledge is freedom and freedom is life. Seek it, live it, and spread it. Because of her, girls can dream big today. On her birth anniversary, let us promise to value education and equality. Let us follow her example and make the world a better place for everyone. Thank you very much.